Hey there, welcome to you in this lesson. And in the previous lesson we have done so far, and now we are going to add another section that's called promo section or featured section. So I'm going to my reference website. Here are the two referent websites that we are following in this course. So right now I'm not going to add this section, but I want to add this section instead of this one. Okay, so now go into my home page and click on the edit with Elementor. Now going to click on the add a new section, select structure. I want 3 column and add padding of this section. So click on this icon, click on the advanced, add padding top and bottom. Okay, now we need to add 3 promo section or feature section. So I'm going to directly copy from here, click on this plus icon, search box here. So you can find image box and icon box. I'm going to add image box right here. So going to download this image, and here is a simple tips. When you download image, keep this image name relevant this title. I'm going to copy this title and download this image, save as image, change image title, best coaching, then upload this image right here. Drag and drop, insert, image size full, image title, and add some demo content right now. Okay, looks good. Now going to make little bit style, image width 100%. We can add padding here, or we can make overall padding 20 pixel. And now going to add box shadow, border, box shadow, border radius 5 pixel, and add box shadow at here. Looks good. Then make duplicate of this box, duplicate, another duplicate, just drag and drop here. Okay, looks good. Now going to change the title and image very quickly. Okay, we have done this section, looks very good. Just click on the update. Now I'm going to add this section, because right now I just want to sell my courses and provide my training. In the future I will invite trainer or expert here to provide their training or sells their course. Okay, so I'm going to copy this section, add a new section. Here the two column, add background, add padding, top and bottom, no need right and left, add image. Initially I'm going to add a demo image. Okay, I'm going to use this one and add text here. Text, I am Faisal. Just keep it simple. Get started and learn today. Add another title. Okay, then add some text here. Okay, and finally add two button, my portfolio and download my CV. So add button from here, my portfolio and download my CV. Another button, download my CV. Okay, now I have to change the tag color, font size, others relevant element. So first I'm going to change the color of this font and change the font style, overall typography. Change color this text also. Typography, font default or normal, and change color of this section. Looks good. And finally change color of this button. Now it looks more good, and going to click on the update. Okay, we have done this section. In the next video we'll add our courses section, best courses here. So thank you for your time to continue this lesson. Have a nice day. Bye bye.